Remove the cover of the cartridge. It's glued or welded. Often you have to cut it. Under the label there are the aeration holes, these little holes. When the ink flows out of the cartridge through the nozzles, the air enters into the cartridge through these holes. If these holes are closed, the ink could not flow to the nozzles, or the air could enter into the nozzles, causing printing defects. The holes are under the label, but the air passes through these little channels. Inside the cartridge there are sponges, one each color. The sponges contain the ink. Each sponge has a separate compartment. Black cartridges have only one compartment. There are no ink level sensors inside the housing. How the printer knows if the ink is low? The ink cartridges are equipped with an integrated circuit chip. There is not physically a chip. The chip is in the electronic circuit. This chip keeps a record of how much ink each specific cartridge has spewed. Every cartridge has a serial number. Once a cartridge arrives at the low ink threshold, or better, once a cartridge arrives at what the printer manufacturer thinks is a low ink threshold, the chip sends an alert and you see the ink low error message. Over the nozzles there is a filter. It protects the printhead from dirty and impurities. These golden points are the contacts with the printer. The circuits are connected with the nozzle of the printhead. The flexible circuit is glued to the outside of the cartridge body. This is a printhead. It's glued with silicone. The nozzles are here in the nozzle plate. This part is in contact with the paper. The nozzles are tiny holes through which the ink is squirted out.